Hi guys, today we are going to learn an introduction to algebra, a basic overview of algebraic concepts. This is a very important lesson in algebra because I know many students struggle with this concept at first, but I believe you will understand it easily with this video tutorial. So before we begin, if you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's go to the first question. So the question is 7x, then within the bracket x squared plus 2x minus 3. So first let's try to understand the expression. Over here, one term outside the bracket, 7x. Then a trinomial inside the bracket, x squared plus 2x minus 3. That's a trinomial. We want to multiply 7x with each term inside the bracket. So, next is multiply each term. Let's go one by one. So, the first term here, we multiply 7x with x squared. These two. Now remember, before x squared, there is an invisible one over here. So, 7 times 1 equals 7. Then remember here, 7x means 7 times x to the power 1. So, x has a power of 1 here. Now, we add the exponents over here. So, 1 over here plus 2 here is equal 3. So, finally, x times x squared is x cubed or x to the third power. So this becomes 7x cubed. Then the second term. Now multiply 7x times 2x. So over here 7 times 2 is 14. Then x times x is equal x squared, because again here invisible 1 here and here. So 1 plus 1 equal 2. So we get 14x squared. Then the third term. Now we multiply this 7x with negative 3. So over here 7 times negative 3 is equal negative 21. The x just stays as it is. So we get over here negative 21x. So the final answer is 7x cubed plus 14x squared minus 21x. That's your simplified expression. Okay. Let's go to another similar question. So next question is 4x squared, then in the brackets 4x to the 4th power minus 6x cubed plus 5x minus 7. Here we have to multiply from 4x squared to 4x to the 4th power. Then minus 6x cubed plus 5x minus 7. See over here, 4 times 4 is 16. Then x squared times x to the 4th power. Here just have to add the exponent. So over here 2 and over here 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6 and x to the 6th power. Then 4 times negative 6 is negative 24. And then x squared times x cubed. So over here 2 and over here 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5 and x to the 5th power. Next is 4x squared times 5x. These two. So 4 times 5 is 20. Over here x has 1 power. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So x to the 3rd power. Or x cubed. Then 4 times negative 7 is negative 28 and x squared. So the final answer is 16x to the 6th power minus 24x to the 5th power plus 20x to the 3rd power negative 28x squared. So this is the final answer. Okay, let's take another question. Let's multiply binomial by binomial. So let's take a question is, so the question is, okay, let's take 4x minus 5 times 3x plus 8. Okay. Over here we have to FOIL. So 4 times 3 is 12 and x times x is x squared, because over here x has 1 power, over here x has 1 power, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So next we have to multiply 4x times 8. These two. Over here simply 4 times 8 is 32 and next. Then next negative 5 times 3x is negative 15x. Then lastly, negative 5 times 8 is these two. Negative 5 times 8 is negative 40. Now we need to combine the like terms. So over here 32x minus 15x, these two are like terms. So 12x squared plus 32x minus 15x minus 40 becoming 12x squared, then 32 minus 15 is 17x. Then negative 40. So this is the final answer. 12x squared plus 17x minus 40. This is how two binomials multiply. Okay, let's try another similar question. Then I hope you will understand more easily. So question is 3x minus 4 times 2x plus 6. Over here 3 times 2, these two is 6. Then x times x is x squared, because over here x has 1 power and over here x has 1 power. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Next, we have to multiply 3x times 6. Over here simply 3 times 6 is 18 and x. Then next negative 4. Over here this negative 4 times 2x, these two. So negative 4 times 2x is negative 8x. Then lastly negative 4 times 6, these two. Negative 4 times 6 is negative 24. Now we need to combine the like terms like earlier. Over here 18x minus 8x are like term. So 6x squared, then 18x minus 8x is 10x, then negative 24. So this is the final answer. 6x squared plus 10x minus 24. This is how two binomial expressions multiply. Okay, let's go for another question. Okay, question is 2x minus 4 squared. Over here 2x minus 4 squareds mean do you know what is this? Or how do we solve this type of question? 2x minus 4 squared. 2x minus 4 squared means we can write it like this. 2x minus 4 times 2x minus 4. 2 times 2x minus 4. So we can write it like this. 2x minus 4 times 2x minus 4. Now we can FOIL this one. So over here 2x times 2x is 4x squared. Because over here x has 1 power, over here x has 1 power. So 1 plus 1 is 2. That's how 4x squared. Then 2x times minus 4 is minus 8x. Then again over here minus 4 times 2x is minus 8x. Next this one minus 4 times minus 4 is positive 16. So now we can combine the like terms here. Minus 8x and minus 8x are like terms. So, let's write it here, 4x squared. So, minus 8x minus 8x is minus 16x. Then, plus 16. So this is the final answer. 4x squared minus 16x plus 16. Now let's try another question like this. One binomial, two terms. 5x minus 7 and one trinomial with three terms. 2x squared minus 4x plus 3. So over here we have to multiply each term and we should get actually over here 3, these two. Total we should get actually 6 terms. 5 times 2 is 10 and x times x squared is over here 1, over here 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. It's x cubed. Then 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. And x times x is over here again 1 plus 1 is here is 2x squared. Then 5x times positive 3 is 15x. These two. 5x times 3 is 15x. Then negative 7 times 2x squared is these two, negative 14x squared. Then negative 7 times negative 4x, these two, is positive 28x. Then here negative 7 times positive 3 becomes negative 21. So it's become finally 10x cubed minus 20x squared plus 15x negative 14x squared plus 28x negative 21. Now let's combine like terms. Over here 10x cube, then here negative 20x squared and negative 14x squared. These two are like terms. So negative 20 and negative 14 is negative 34. Then x squared. Then again over here 15x and over here 20x are 8x. 15x and 28x are like terms. So 15 plus 28 is 43, 43x. So no any other like terms. Then negative 21. So this is the final answer. 10x cubed negative 34x squared plus 43x negative 21. And that's it for today's lesson on basic algebraic concept. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more lessons. Thank you.